wala, ayan na. Executive Order 335 naman tayo. President Corazon Aquino, order on August 25, 1988, all government departments, bureaus, offices, agencies to take steps in using the Filipino language in transaction, communication, and correspondence. So, ayun nga, according dito sa Executive Order 335 na pinirmahan ni President Corazon Aquino noong August 25, 1988 na lahat ng departments or agencies na sumunod o gamitin ang wikang Filipino sa pakikipag-transaction or pagbibigay instruction kanino man. So, this executive order assigns personnel in every office who will be in charge of all communication and correspondence written in Filipino. So, ayun nga. Pero ewan ko lang, kasi hindi ko, minsan may natatanggap kami mga letters na galing na sa iba't ibang office na nakasulat is Filipino. Nadala, pero according nga dito sa executive order, Filipino ang kailangan gamitin sa pagbibigay ng information, instruction. So, all departments, bureaus, offices, agencies, instrumentalities of the government are enjoined to the following. So, first, take steps to enhance the use of Filipino in official communications, transactions, and correspondence in their respective offices, whether national to or local. Second naman, yung assign one or more personnel as may be necessary in every office to take charge of communication and correspondence within the Filipino. Ayun nga, kaya lang din na sinabi ko kanina, kailangan talaga naka-written Filipino according to Executive Order number 335. Plus, translate into Filipino names of the offices, buildings, public edifices, and signboards of all offices, division, or its instrumentalities, and if so desired, imprint below in smaller letters the English text. So, sabi din dito, kunwari, example ko dito, yung library. So, ang signboard doon, dapat daw ay may naka-print na mas maliit na nakasulat. Kung nga rin, aklatan, library, or library tapos aklatan. Kung baga, naka-translate pa rin siya in Tagalog. Kung gagamitin naman is Filipino, ita-translate naman siya in English. Tanong po, it tasks government entities to translate names of offices, divisions of instrumentalities, and even oaths of office into Filipino, and to make proficiency in the use of Filipino in official communication, correspondence as part of personal training programs. So next, let's proceed to the language policy of the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED. In 1994, Republic Act number 7722 creating the Commission on Higher Education was signed. The issue in 1994, the new General Educational Curriculum, or GEC, under CHED Memorandum Order number 59. So, the GEC required higher education institution or case to have at least 9 units of Filipino language courses. In addition, to coordinate with the Department of Education or DepEd. Bilingual education policy, language courses, whether Filipino or English, should be taught in the language courses in humanities and social sciences should be preferably be taught in Filipino. Ayun nga, kung saan mas maiintindihan ng learners or ng estudyante yung subject or yung topic na tinuturo sa atin. Siyempre, kung ito kasing sinabi dito para to sa teacher at para din sa estudyante, kung saan kampante at komportable sa pagtuturo o pakikinig yung mga estudyante. Wikang Tagalog man or wikang English. Kung saan mas nadi-deliver ng maayos ng speaker or ng teacher yung topic na ibinabato niyan sa mga estudyante. Or kung saan mas naiintindihan ng estudyante ang wikang Pilipino na ginagamit na teacher. Pwede siyang English, pwede rin siyang Tagalog. Pero sa Filipino, dun sa policy, language, Filipino language ang ituturo sa humanities. Furthermore, at the discretion of his literature subject may be taught in Filipino, English, or any other language as long as there are enough instructional materials, students and instructors competent in the language. A revised subject of Filipino course 1, 2, and 3 was issued in 2007 under CHED Memorandum 54. So, ayun nga, hindi lang Pilipino ang pwedeng gamitin. Kasi nga, may mga sa ibang lugar, pupuntahan, para pwede ko rin gamitin yung mother tongue. So, ayun lang guys.
Dami namin natutunan eh.